How to change your username on Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your username on Poshmark. So just make sure to watch the very video till the very end. Now if you would like to change your username, normally what would happen over here is that you would tap the profile icon from the top right. You would go to the edit profile button over here, but here you have the option to change your first name, your last name, but you're surprised because there isn't an option to change your username. Well, that is because this is not where we want to go in order to change our username. To change our username, it's a little bit of a tricky process. You want to make sure you just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side here, and instead of going to edit profile over here, you can see our username, right? We want to scroll and then look for this option called account settings. So just go to the account settings button here, and as you go to the account settings button, you're going to be taken to this page where you just have to select this option called account info. You just want to make sure to tap the account info button, and this is exactly where you're going to find this option called username, and basically you just need to tap the change button right next to it in order to verify the current email address first. Once you verify your email address, a code will be sent to it, and then you'll have the options to change your username. That's it for this video on how you can change the username on Poshmark. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.